Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Sellfy store, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change your Sellfy store theme? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the theme to your Sellfy store anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. So you want to be sure to choose a theme that kind of lines up with your brand. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy store dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Sellfy account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the theme to your Sellfy store, here on the left side, you're going to click on store settings. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your store. And off to the right, you're going to click on this button here called customize store. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your store in Sellfy. Now, in order to change theme, here on the top left, you're going to click on store style. Once you do that, you're going to see the theme you're currently using. So I'm using this one here called bio default, and you want to click on browse themes. It's in blue. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the themes that are offered in Sellfy. You can see they have quite a few. And if you want to see what it looks like, just click on the little eyeball. So this one looks kind of fun, kind of cool, kind of like, I guess it looks like typewriter. So if you like this theme, you want to click on apply theme. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this warning. If you apply the theme, it's going to completely redesign your homepage and update all module styles. If you're okay with that, click on apply. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the theme has completely changed for my Sellfy store. So I kind of like this. This looks actually pretty good. And then if you want to see what it looks like on tablet, just click up here, and then mobile as well. So as you can see, the words are not really lining up. So you can go ahead and just go in there and edit that. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the theme to your Sellfy store, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.